Hello friends. In this video we will download and install Android Studio Tool so we can learn Android or Flutter programming. First, you will go to the link that I provide for you right below the video. Then click on this download button. Then there is a license agreement and stuff. Scroll down to the bottom. Then tick the box I have read and accept the license. Then click the button right below to download. Okay, now you wait for the download process to complete. Then we will proceed to install the Android Studio Tool. Note that you must keep the internet connection smooth during the process of downloading the Android Studio installation to ensure you download successfully. So after a while of waiting, I have finished downloading the installation version for Windows. To install, you just need to double-click on the installation version to proceed with the installation. After you double-click, wait a moment. It will display a window asking us if we want to allow this application to change the device or not. You choose yes. Then a window like this will appear. You choose next. Next. Here you just leave the default. Then you choose next. Next. Select where to save the installation file on your Windows computer. By default, the Android Studio installation files will be saved to drive C if you want to save them to other drives. You can click the Browse button. Then point to the folder containing the new installation file for Android Studio and click OK. Once you have decided, select Next to continue. In the next window is to select the Start folder. You leave the default and press the Install button. Now you wait for the installation process to complete. Then we will start Android Studio and install the other necessary components. So I have finished installing. Now you just need to click the Next button. A new window appears. You leave the checkbox for the function to start Android Studio. Then you click Finish. Next, the Android Studio tool will be opened. At the current interface, you can participate in improving the Android Studio tool or not participate. It's up to you. Here I click Not to participate. Then the welcome screen appears. Click Next to continue. I will hide the back windows for easier viewing. In the installation type window, select Standard and then click the Next button. A new window will appear containing a list of necessary items that will be downloaded and installed. You can take a closer look at this list if you want. Now I will select Next. A new window containing a list of license agreements appears. On the left side, select the first item, then select Agree and you're done. Finally, click Finish. Okay, now you can go get a cup of coffee or call your lover while waiting for the installation to complete. Note that you must ensure a smooth internet connection and the power supply to the computer is not interrupted for the installation to be successful. And I'm done with the installation. Now I'll press the Finish button to continue. This is the interface when you don't have any Android project. I will enlarge the screen. Now I will create a new project. You press the plus button New Project, then leave the default. Press Next to continue. A new window appears allowing you to set up information for the project. You name it. Note that the project name cannot contain special characters. Characters such as Vietnamese with accents. Then you change the package name for it. Choose where to save the project. By default, the project will be saved in a folder in Drive C. You can change the project save location as you like. Next, select the oldest Android operating system you want to support. For example, here I choose to support at least Android 10. When everything is okay, click the Finish button to let the tool create the project for you. Note that at this time you also need to connect to the internet so that the tool can download anything it needs to build and configure the project. The first time you create a project in Android Studio will take a long time because it also downloads a lot of necessary libraries and installation packages. The next times will be faster. Also note that, for the best experience when using Android Studio, make sure your computer's RAM is at least 8 GB. The best is 16 GB or more. In addition, the newer and better your computer's CPU is, the better. Wait for the project creation process to finish. Then we will continue. So Android Studio has created a project for me. Now I will run this project to see if everything is okay. To run the project, simply select the device on which the software will be installed and press the green triangle button in the middle, at the top of the screen. First, I will start the virtual machine. To start the virtual machine, you just need to click on Device Manager and select the triangle button on the virtual machine in the list that appears. After clicking, you will see the virtual machine status is starting at the bottom of the screen. Wait for the virtual machine to finish booting. Then we will install the application on it to test it. If you have an Android smartphone, you can pair it with your computer via a cable or via Wi-Fi. For example, if you want to pair via Wi-Fi, select this Wi-Fi icon and then scan the QR code to pair. Note that your computer and phone must be connected to the same modem. So the virtual machine has started up. It's a little slow. To make it start up faster, increase your computer's RAM. When the virtual machine is starting up, go to the Device Manager tab and you'll see that it has the starting status. When it's done starting up, you'll see a red square button and a green dot indicating that the device is online. Clicking on the red button will turn off the virtual machine. Now everything is okay. I will run the application. When you run the application, the bottom of the screen will display the status for you to monitor the process. And this is the expected result. A simple application screen with the greeting, "Hello Android." If you have made it this far, congratulations! You have successfully installed the Android Studio tool. Now you just need to learn and make Android applications. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any useful videos. Let me know the results of your installation in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video.